Okay, so now we're gonna learn how to make Cafe Au Lait. Cafe Au Lait is very similar to a latte, except we're not using espresso and steamed milk, but we're using brewed coffee and steamed milk. So what we should do first is actually steaming the milk instead of putting the coffee in the cup, because that way we keep it fresh and it doesn't cool down while it's sitting in the cup. So we're gonna start by putting the milk in our pitcher. And make sure that you're actually steaming the milk like you would for a latte, so you don't want too much foam. You hold under the pitcher with one hand, and when it's unbearable to hold under, that's when it has reached its right temperature. You can also use a thermometer if you feel more comfortable with that. Okay, now we're going to pour our coffee in, and it's basically half coffee and half steamed milk, so that should be about a good amount. And then we're just going to pour in to the middle. Can make a little art on top, but it's not going to be as nice as you would do with a latte. And there you go. That's the Cafe Au Lait.